in Python, integer function, which is in short known as int function, is used to convert string value into integer values, because input function by default takes the input from the user as string. So if you want to Python interpreter to accept the value as you have entered, like decimal value or integer value, then you need to typecast. What is the meaning of typecast? You have to convert it into those values. If you suppose if you want to enter a floating point value, then you have to convert it into float. So there are two examples. These are some example of data types. These are the example of integer value or integer data type. Those value which does not contain any decimal is known as integer value. Next one is those value which are enclosed within the double quotes, whether it's number or alphabets or characters, is known as string. Now in the third row you can see this is number, but this number contains a decimal.
Floating point.
So this value will be treated as floating point. So the question is that you want to write a program which should accept the input from the user as floating point. Then you have to convert it into float values. To convert those values into float value, you have to use float function. Very good. So this example, this example program I have written without float function. So this line accepts a value from the user, and in another line we are printing that value. So when this program will execute, we will see a message. That message is enter a value, and the program will wait until we do not give any value. When we will give the value, this program will return or print that value, whatever we will give. Okay. So you can see that I don't have used float value. So I have entered 8. So the program give us the output that is h. But this add is not integer, because the input function accept the by default value as string. Okay. So internally this 8 will be stored as string. Now what I want this 8 to be stored as float. So we have to convert that string value into float. To convert the floating point value, we have to use float function. As you can see this, I have written input function which is wrapped by float function. So this input function will take the input from the user, and after that this float function will convert that value into floating point value. So the next line, what we are doing, we are printing. So the output will be 8.0. Why it is 8.0? Because this input will be accepted as float value. Okay, now you can check it by using type function. There is a function in Python. You have to write print, inside print write type function and pass the value or variable which you want to check the type. So I am storing that value in this variable which name is val1. So I will have to pass the name of the variable 1. So what will be the output of this code? The output of this code will be like this: class float. Okay. Similarly, you can check the type of this variable, because whatever input we are taking from the user, we are storing in this value.
Yes, sir.
So write print, inside that print function write type and pass the variable name whose you want to check. What will be the output of this? The output will be like this: class str. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.